Question number 1. Which assessment finding indicates infection in a surgical wound? Correct option is A. First. Question number 2. Which nutrient is most essential for tissue repair and wound healing? Correct option is D. Proteins. Question number 3. Which clinical sign most strongly suggests fluid overload in a patient? Correct option is A. Edema. Question number 4. Which sign is usually the earliest indicator of patient hypoxia? Correct option is D. Restless. Question number 5. Which vital sign change is most alarming in post-operative patient? Correct option is B. Tachycardia. Question number 6. Which nursing action reduce risk of infection during wound care? Correct option is A. Gloves. Question number 7. Which sign indicates dehydration in an adult patient? Correct option is C. Dry skin. Question number 8. Which nursing action is priority for unconscious patient care? Correct option is B. Airway. Question number 9. Which sign is most strongly suggest internal bleeding? Correct option is A. Fowler. Question number 10. Which pulse site is best for routine adult assessment? Correct option is B. Radial pulse. Question number 11. Which clinical sign indicates fever in a patient? Correct option is C. Hot skin. Question number 12. Which sign indicates poor peripheral circulation during assessment? Correct option is D. Cyanosis. Question number 13. Which sign suggests hypovolemic shock in a trauma patient? Correct option is A. Low blood pressure. Question number 14. Which patient position improves venous return in hypertension? Correct option is B. Spine. Question number 15. Which sign indicates improvement after oxygen therapy? Correct option is D. Pink lips. Question number 16. Which nursing principle ensure patient privacy during procedures? Correct option is A. Dignity. Question number 17. Which patient requires airborne precaution in hospital? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 18. Which nursing action is essential before blood transfusion? Correct option is D. Cross match. Question number 19. Which injection angle is correct for intramuscular administration? Correct option is A. 90-degree. Question number 20. Which nursing action helps maintain patient comfort and circulation? Correct option is the refusion. Question number 21. Which pulse site is best for assessing heart rate in infants? Correct option is C. Apical pulse. Question number 22. Which position is best for examining the abdomen of a patient? Correct option is a spine. Question number 23. Which clinical sign suggests hypothermia in an adult patient? Correct option is D. Shivering. Question number 24. Which condition requires immediate nursing intervention? Correct option is C. No pulse. Question number 25. Which sign indicates early shock in trauma patient? Correct option is D. Tachycardia. Question number 26. Which sign indicates hypoglycemia in diabetic patient? Correct option is A. Sweating. Question number 27. Which sign most clearly indicates hypoxia in a patient? Correct option is B. Cyanosis. Question number 28. Which vital sign rises pulse during infection onset? Correct option is A. Temperature. Question number 29. Which pulse site is best during CPR assessment? Correct option is D. Carotid pulse. Question number 30. Which intervention prevents aspiration during feeding? Correct option is C. Upright position. Question number 31. Which sign suggests hypoglycemia in diabetic patient? Correct option is D. Sweating. Question number 32. Which vital sign is most sensitive indicator of deterioration? Correct option is A. Respiration. Question number 33. Which nursing value focus on kindness toward patient? Correct option is B. Caring. Question number 34. Which step of nursing process identify patient problems? Correct option is D. Diagnose. Question number 35. Which nutrients support immune function most? Correct option is D. Proteins. Question number 36. Which nursing principle ensure patient dignity? Correct option is B. Respect. Question number 37. Which step checks if nursing goals were achieved? Correct option is C. Evaluate. Question number 38. Which nursing action is priority for severe bleeding? Correct option is A. Fresher. Question number 39. Which precaution is used for droplet infection? Correct option is C. Droplet. Question number 40. Which intervention prevents pressure ulcers? Correct option is D. Turning. Question number 41. Which action prevents infection during wound care? Correct option is A. Aciphasis. Question number 42. Which electrolyte imbalance affects heart most? Correct option is C. Potassium. Question number 43. Which nursing principle means keeping promises? Correct option is D. Fidelity. Question number 44. Which nursing rule includes patient teaching? Correct option is A. Educator. Question number 45. Which action reduce fever naturally in patient care? Correct option is B. Fluids. Question number 46. Which position is best for spinal injury patient? Correct option is C. Flat. Question number 48. Which pulse is checked during cardiac arrest? Correct option is B. Carotid pulse. Question number 48. Which principle ensures equal patient treatment? Correct option is A. Justice. Question number 49. Which position is used for enema administration? Correct option is A. Symes position. Question number 50. Which precaution is used for tuberculosis? Correct option is D. Airborne precaution. Question number 51. Which nursing staff implements care plan? Correct option is D. Implementation. Question number 52. Which position improves breathing in dyspnea? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 53. Which pulse side is used in emergency adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 54. Which vital sign is pulse to change in shock? Correct option is A. Pulse. Question number 55. Which nursing action promotes circulation? Correct option is D. Exercise. Question number 56. Which sign indicates infection at wound site? Correct option is B. Redness. Question number 57. Which nursing action prevents aspiration? Correct option is B. Upright. Question number 58. Which patient needs immediate airway management? Correct option is D. Obstruction. Question number 59. Which nursing action compounds right patient before procedure? Correct option as a ID check. Question number 60. Which route is used for routines insulin injection? Correct option is the subcutaneous. Question number 61. Which step evaluates patient care outcomes? Correct option is A. Evaluation. Question number 62. Which nursing principle ensures fairness? Correct option is D. Justice. Question number 63. Which nursing responsibility ensures patient safety? Correct option is A. Monitoring. Question number 64. Which vital sign change first in shock? Correct option is A. False. Question number 65. Which action prevents aspiration during feeding? Correct option is C. Upright. Question number 66. Which step of nursing process identify patient problems? Correct option is A. Diagnosis. Question number 67. Which intervention improves circulation in immobile patient? Correct option is D. Exercise. Question number 68. Which position improves breathing in dyspnea? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 69. Which core nursing value focuses on patient dignity? Correct option is A. Respect. Question number 70. Which position is used for nasogastric tube insertion? Correct option is D. High Fowler's position.